What you're going to hear is a sound that I really wouldn't bring up unless it was worth you guys hearing yourself and judging for yourself. But this is a refinery town, and that train that you initially hear, of course, you hear it every day because it's the same damn train that I always get trapped at going to work or either get trapped at after work. And I've worked in refineries all my life. I've worked around them all my life. I know how many horn blasts mean what, and so on and so forth. The sound that we hear is different. Well, I heard it first. He'd come to say that later that he did hear it, but he didn't want to sound crazy, and I understand that. But I heard this shit, and from what I've discovered on TikTok when I first posted it, people heard it as well. It's not a train, folks. This is unexplainable. It's one of those sky horn things.
I've never seen clouds like this. And like I can see a thin layer of clouds that are going that way, Dustin. I can see a thin layer that are going that way.
I know.
But I can see like a weird.
Almost like.
Look how green, and look, you can see rotation over there. Like over there about a tree.
Look at the radar. It's
treetops. I walked around and saw a lightning bolt go up instead of down. I think the girls need to potty before any of this starts to happen. Those clouds are strange.
I mean, the clouds just look incredible.
Those clouds are
Still, if you can hear it, that sound, if you can. Fucking husband would shut the fuck up. Listen to that horn sound. I've never heard it before. And there's actually a tornado on the way here. There it is. Some weird weather in Louisiana today.